Hello guys, good day. My name is Mauro Christian, aka Obinasho Signature. Well, in today's video, we want to teach you how to do a professional retwist. Well, this video actually contains how to section log, how to install logs with machine, how to bleach logs, and how to start.
So let me go all over again. So for those that did not get it, for those that are just joining us.
So if you're just joining us,
how to palm roll properly.
To this channel.
Now, if you want to retwist properly,
thank you for watching.
The first thing you need to do first is you must understand the following principle. Number one, never use your tail comb to partition hair. Rather, you brush out, in and out of the locks. The reason is because if you do that, you'll be contributing to breaking of the locks. That's one. Secondly, if you want to start a retwist, ensure that the back of the locks and front of the locks, you gelled it. So let's gel the back. And when we gel the back, we brush it in like this. Now, as we gel the back, we bring it down. Now, the next one between them like this, we gel that line too. Now, when we gel that line, it helps the hair to separate properly. So you can see they separate properly like this. Now you can't see the line between these two locks. What you do next is you hold those two locks together, you comb their roots together like this. After combing their roots, the natural line will form. If you don't see the line so much, you can brush out. Don't use your tail comb unnecessarily. So after you've done that, you pick the first one, you comb it. Now why are you combing this? You are combing it because you don't want any hair to sit under. You are catching the hair so that all the hair can join the locks. So when you comb, you are sure that okay, you've combed it, then you can twist it only once. When you twist it only once, hold it again. Now this twisting helps all the hair to stay in place. You now check the arena. Is it neat? If it's neat, then you count this comb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, aside from the big one. Now you raise your hand up like this and put it in. Then you bring it down this way. When you bring it down this way, you make sure that the face of your comb is facing up like this. Then you put your hand under the locks. Then you pull the comb out small. You see it? Then you wind the comb. If there's still space, you bring it up again. You wind the comb. When you feel there's no space again, you can take out the comb. And when you take out the comb, you use this your hand to hold the lock so that it will not twist back. Then what you do now is check if there's excess hair around it. You can see I didn't leave the locks. If there's excess hair around it, just carry it and wrap it on the body of the locks like this. Then use a gel small to support it. Then you go around, and now after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is you give it to this hand. Let this hand hold it. When this hand hold it, now look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this hand on it. Then I'm going to wind it. You can see that the dread is spinning. When it spins, before I reach the end of this palm, I use these two fingers to grab it. I give it back to this hand again. I will do the same thing and grab it. So while you're doing it, you can see the down is looking tight. That is how you retwist. Now, if you are retwisting, I will advise you, please do not obey all I told you, and at the end of the day, you will come to the end of the locks and the retwisting is very, very wrong. You cannot come to the end of the locks and be retwisting. The only time it's going to work probably is because the locks is still short. But if the locks is long and you go to the end of the tip to retwist, it will make your grip on the root very weak. So let's obey our principle again for the last time. I said if you want to retwist, you apply your gel under to brush in. So this I'm brushing in to make sure there is no any hair and there's a perfect line. Then you bring down the locks. You bring down the locks. You brush again to see if there's any line. Then you put your oil like this, your gel. Then you brush in this time. In and out, in and out, in and out. You can see it. Then you pick two locks first. You comb their roots. Then you separate. You see the line came out. Then you pick the first one, you comb it like this to make sure that all the hair enters your hand. If you are certain that it enters your hand, you can twist it only once and hold it. Now this one you hold it, now you're checking if there's any hair left out. If there's any hair left out, make sure you bring it in. Now when you bring it in, count the 5 heads, put it under, then you turn it and make sure that the comb is facing up. When it's facing up, you put your finger under, then you pull out the comb a little, then you wind. You pull out again, then you wind. After you've done that, you use this hand to hold it before you take out the comb. Then you observe the body. Is there anywhere that excess hair is remaining? If yes, sometimes you can even apply gel on the hair, then you wind it on the body of the locks. So after you've done that, do not leave it yet. And again, another point, if there's excess gel, if you take excess gel, you will see it on the body of the locks. Once your retwist is tight, you see it on the body of the locks. So what you do is you brush it out like this. You brush it out like this. After you brush it out, you brush it out like this. Then now you still hold it, don't allow this thing to spin back. Now you give it to this hand. Now see, place it like this, then you spin. Before it reaches the end, you use these 2 hands to grab it. Give it to this hand again, you spin. Before it reaches the end, you grab it. You do it again. You keep doing it until the down is tight. Once it's tight, you can let go of it. So you do the next one too. If you can't find the line in between them two, you comb the 2 next locks together. If you can't find the lines between them, but if you can find the lines, there's no need. So you comb out to make sure all the hairs are in place. You do the same thing. So I'm already used to it. I know how to maneuver my comb. That's why. And see, things are working out. So if you don't understand, you can pause the video, go back again and watch over and over and over till you get it right. That way, you have a perfect work. So this is what I'm doing that looks like I'm performing magic within the speed of light. My client has tried to do. So, just watch. So sometimes if you even do this, you don't need to apply any more gel. So long you have done these 2 things I've told you, like this. If you have a comb, separate it to see them. Pick the hair around. Make sure your comb face up. Put your hand under and spin. So someone will say, but you just taught us and your hand is going this way. Why is your hand not going this way? Let me show you that it's still the same direction I'm spinning. Watch here. Now, if I do like this, see it now, still the same direction. Look, I'm keeping it on this hand, I'm going like this. You seeing it? Still the same direction. You seeing it? Okay. Now I will do it and bring it down to this hand so that you will see that it's still the same direction I'm going. You do this way, you see? Now watch. See it? So it's in the same direction. So that is it. So nobody should tell you that no, you're supposed to twist it anti-clockwise, not clockwise. It's not true. So any place, so long if I'm going this way, this is what I'm doing. Now I'm pushing out. If I'm going this way, what am I doing? I'm dragging in. If I'm doing this way, I'm pushing out. And I'm doing this way, I'm dragging in. So that's how you keep doing it over and over. Because truly, if I'm going the other way around, you'll notice it. Then the last point I want to show us now, pay attention. This is the last and the most important part. Sometimes you retwist properly but the way you pick your hair is actually your problem.
Excuse me, sorry.
Hope it's not my ace that gave you cool.
No. It's this insecticide I sprayed the house yesterday, so I inhaled it.
Okay. Pay attention. This is the last part. I want to explain something so we can see and learn. So after you finish retwisting like this, now there's a reason why. Sorry, can you bend your head? I want to explain something. Now there's a reason why, if you observe my retwisting, all the hair I packed, they are in squared form. They are in squared form and they are not far from each other. Now why I do it like that is so that when I pack the hair, the grip will still be tight. That's why I'm doing it that way. So if I'm rolling, don't say, hey, okay, let me do it this way, then pack all of them together. When you pack it, the distance between the two last locks is too far. So always maintain a squared size so that you can pack them evenly, so that the strength will be everywhere. If you check, all of them are firm. If you check, all of them are firm. You can see the way I'm grouping them. You can see the way I'm grouping them. That's how you get a perfect locks. Now, this is where I'm dragging your attention to. If you want to, after you finish retwisting, you want to use band to hold them together. You don't just pick it like this and start putting bands. This is how you pick it. You pick and twist. 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 Pick, twist. Pick, twist. Pick, twist. Can you see it? That way, the locks will come out very, very, very fine. So that's how you get a perfect design. So when you are done like this, first thing you need to spray is your oil spray. Why do you spray oil spray? Because the gel you are using is called flex gel. They use flex to make it. Flex seeds, according to them. Now what it means is that if hair meets it, is going to turn white. So to avoid those whitish effects, you use your oil spray while the hair is still wet and spray. Now what the spray is doing is that the spray is actually covering the white effect so that it won't show. So after I finish spraying it, you can now go in and use your holding spray. Mine is split gel. So use your holding spray to spray it. Don't go too close so that the split gel will not be dripping. You give it like 1 inches away. Let's say 1 inches, like 10 inches away. Okay. See? Now this one is to make the twist hole like that. Then ensure that after you finish with twisting, make sure you put the person in the hair dryer so that the hair will dry. If it doesn't dry, the wax is going to become build up on the person's lock, and aside from that, the locks is going to have bad smell. So this one I'm actually wrapping it this way because I want to protect her scalp from the dryer so that the heat of the dryer will not hit her scalp directly. So first of the heat will dry this place before I get the root. So thank you for watching. If you've watched this time, I want you to stay and see how I'm going to style this beautiful hair and make it look one of the 10th wonders of the earth. So stay tuned. You can see my client already smiling. So they say they want to see your face.
Hey.
Do you want to say hello to them? Do you want to say hello to them?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Obi. Please tell us your name.
Okay, I'm Rose.
Okay, Rose. Nice to meet you. Thank you for being our model today. So let's dry Rose's hair before we'll go for styling. Okay. So please, if you've not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, share, comment, tell your friends to join this channel to become a professional optician. I know you'll be wondering why is the camera going up. The camera is connected to the dryer, so that's why. Can you relax? So after you dry the hair, you come and pick a very nice style and style the person's hair, and you're done.
So guys, give me your comments. Tell me what you miss, tell me what you need, and tell me what you learned. This is a channel that will improve your skill as a loctician, and also we give you guidelines as a client who is carrying locks and wants his or her locks to be very healthy. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, please don't hesitate to ask, and we will surely answer your question shortly. Thank you so much for watching. We love you. Kisses. Shortly, here comes the highlights of the start to finished work of this beautiful hair. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love you, and we want you to be our biggest fan.
Ooh, the signature touch, crafting crowns from a single thread of promise. You build a legacy with finesse and honest hands. Obinocious signature, yeah, Abuja's finest. That premium feeling, a luxury in demand. Obinocious signature.
Ooh, yeah. Let go of all that worry now. If Obinocious is your stylist, stop worrying about your looks. If Obinocious is your stylist, stop worrying about